Assalamu alaikum friends, today I'm going to do quick hands-on review of Samsung Galaxy A56 5G and Galaxy A36 5G. Now these are budget devices from Samsung. So let me just quickly show you the design. On the right hand side we have power button, volume up and down keys, and on the back we have triple cameras, 15 megapixel, 12 megapixel and 5 megapixel macro camera. And on the bottom we have SIM slot and speaker grill, USB type C. On the left we have nothing. And the design looks really nice, guys. In my opinion, it looks really premium. Also the bezel is quite thin compared to the last year model. So as you can see, the display is 6.67 inches Super AMOLED display, and it comes with the 120 Hz refresh rate and 1900 nits at peak brightness, and it comes with the 5000 milliamps of battery, which can be charged with 45 watt charging adapter. It also comes with the Android 15, as I've told you previously, and they promise us for the major upgrades you will get around 6 major upgrades, Android upgrades, which is also very nice to see. The processor, guys, they are using Exynos 15080, which is on 4 nanometer in this model. I don't know why they're not using Snapdragon, but yeah, still it's quite fast and efficient, but compared to Snapdragon there is no comparison. So let me just quickly show you Galaxy A36 5G now, and it also has Super AMOLED display, 120 Hz refresh rate, 6.67 inches display. It's quite cheap compared to the Galaxy A56 5G, and we also get Gorilla Glass Victus on both of these. But the processor here is Snapdragon 6 Gen 3, which is interesting to see because in Galaxy A56 they are using Exynos. We also get eSIM support for both of these, and you also have dual SIM slot, so you can insert your dual SIM. And unfortunately there is no micro SD card option. So on the front we get a 12 megapixel camera which can record up to 4K 30 FPS videos, guys, which is also amazing to see. And yeah, this one also has 5000 milliamps of battery. This also can be charged with the 45 watt adapter. So here's the price, guys, and yeah, Galaxy A56 is 1549 Saudi Riyals for the standard model, and Galaxy A36 5G is around 1249 Saudi Riyals, the standard model. So yeah, they are quite expensive in my opinion from the last year model. So yeah, but overall in terms of build quality and design, I really like the Galaxy A56 because it has a premium design compared to Galaxy A36, which they are using plastic on the side, and I believe on the back as well. I'm not 100% sure, but the sides are made out of plastic. But on the A56 5G we have aluminum sides, which is really nice. So yeah, if you like this video, guys, let me know in the comments down below. Subscribe to my channel. Thanks a lot for watching my video, guys. I will see you guys in the next video. Allah Hafiz.